It's raining in my city right now, and this is such a great opportunity to practice meditation, to simply notice that it's raining and focus on the rain for a moment. We could choose to focus on the sound of the rain and kind of close the eyes and just listen for a moment. Listening to the rains dropping from the sky. Listen to different layers of the sound. Some rains are closer, some are farther. And even different pitches of the rain. Some are lower pitched, some are sharper. And maybe notice that some rains are dropping on certain objects, and some rains are dropping on others, and they make different sounds. The rain that are falling on the ground are different from the rain that are falling on the roof. There are thoughts that might come to distract our attention, and that's okay. We can come back to the sound of the rain, gentle and effortlessly. Wherever we are, it's okay. This moment is enough. We are enough. This moment, there is nowhere to go, nothing we need to do, nothing matters.